Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive, your source for all things tech with a US twist. Today we're diving into the early look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and asking the big question, is it really worth the hype here in the US? Let's find out. So far, all the early leaks and renders show that Samsung is sticking with its iconic foldable design but with subtle yet important refinements. The Fold 6 is expected to be slightly slimmer and lighter, which is a huge deal in the US market where portability and practicality matter. One of the biggest complaints about previous Fold models was the chunky design, but now, Samsung seems to be listening. When it comes to the display, we're looking at a slightly wider cover screen and an improved inner display with fewer visible creases. That's big news, especially for US consumers who care about media consumption and multitasking. Watching content on a foldable has always been cool. But if the crease is less distracting, it becomes more immersive and premium, and that's exactly what American buyers want when they spend nearly $1,800 on a phone. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which means better AI performance, faster speeds, and more efficiency. Samsung is also planning some AI-powered multitasking features to better support the foldable experience. Imagine having Google Gemini or Samsung's own Galaxy AI integrated in real time across your apps. That's where this is heading. And since US users are rapidly adopting AI, this could be a smart move by Samsung to stay ahead. Cameras are getting a slight bump too. Rumors suggest we'll still see a triple lens rear setup but with upgraded sensors, especially for low-light photography. And let's be honest, Americans love capturing moments in crisp quality, whether it's vacations, family, or food. So if Samsung really nails the camera upgrades, the Fold 6 could finally compete with the iPhone in that area. But here's the thing, the Fold 6 is still expected to cost between $1,700 to $1,800, and that's a tough sell even in the US. With inflation and more budget-conscious consumers, Samsung will need to prove that this foldable isn't just flashy but actually functional for everyday use. Features like DeX mode, S Pen support, and battery life will need to deliver on every level. One area Samsung needs to improve for US buyers is durability. Foldables in the past have had issues with long-term use, hinges getting weak or screens acting up. If the Fold 6 addresses those and gets certified for better water and dust resistance, that'll go a long way in convincing skeptical buyers. Now let's talk about timing. With Apple expected to drop the iPhone 16 lineup just a few months later, Samsung has a narrow window to dominate the conversation. If they play their cards right and the Fold 6 truly delivers meaningful upgrades, we might see a shift, especially in the US premium Android market, where Google and OnePlus are also pushing hard. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 worth the hype in the US? If the leaks hold up and Samsung keeps their promises, the answer could be yes. But it all comes down to execution, real durability, real camera gains, and real innovation, not just marketing. US buyers want value, performance, and practicality, not just a cool party trick. That's it for this early breakdown of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. What do you think? Is Samsung finally getting it right? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big tech dive. Catch you in the next one. This is Digital Dive, signing out.